Car HHO carbon cleaner machine is a revolution in cleaning car engine carbon. It is the first one to use HHO gas and HHO cleaner agent to double clean, so that can achieve a great cleaning results for engine. Also, it can clean all kinds of vehicles such as cars, minivan, heavy trucks, buses, and so on. HHO carbon cleaner machine has obtained 17 research and development patents, especially for the anti-backfire system. It is a wet anti-backfire device which can clean the gas, decrease gas temperature, and 100% keep machine working safely. HHO carbon cleaner machine uses water as raw material through electrolysis to produce oxygen and hydrogen gas. Then the mixed hydrogen gas will go into the engine together with HHO cleaner agent. When it enters into the combustion chamber, the oxygen hydrogen gas will burn with gasoline or diesel in the engine through high temperature to melt the carbon deposit. During the cleaning process, HHO cleaner agent can wash all the parts it goes through to clean and protect them. Here are some advantages after engine carbon cleaning. 1. Save fuel 15%. 2. Increase engine power by 20%. 3. Reduce emissions by 72%. 4. Scour exhaust pipe wall to increase power. 5. Can clean oxygen sensor, spark plug, catalytic converter, and so on to extend the engine life. Welcome to join us.